Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel again. So today I wanted to talk about the jars and pull a couple different sizes out. Now this is like the 8 ounce, and this is perfect for like the little jams. This is a great jam. Get into it. And this one is a bit bigger. I want to say it's like a 16, but it's the wide neck. I'm hardly ever able to find these, but I only find them in the short ones, and these are great. This was another one that I used. This is a strawberry jam, but the wide ones are really cool for like meats. So if you can find like the tall ones, you can put your chicken legs, your thighs, but either use what you can find now. Okay. Now this one look a little dirty around the side, but I use this to put some chili in it, and this is a quart. This is a large one, and I've used it for meats as well. But the thing about the quarts, you got to make sure you got the pressure time down, the right way. These I've been having a difficult time finding lately, so I just kind of recycle the ones that I have. This is another size, and I think this is a 16 ounce, and this is like yeah, I think this is about the same size too. It's just wider. Anyway, as you can see, they already come with the rings on them, and you want to save your rings because after you finish canning them, these will be stuck together, right? Now, a lot of people debate whether you should put them together. It's all on you. I normally take mine off and clean the jar real good. Then you want to have your little marker to write what you got up there, your date and what you made. Also, a good beginner thing to have is extra lids. Now these are the ones that you have to use. These are the one use. So this is the one that goes on the small ones right here. So this is about the same size. This is the same size. Same size. However, the wider ones, I don't use that often, come in this size. And I just wanted to show the different sizes and different type of jars. Now, I do pretty much stick to the ball jars. I really don't deviate from that to any others. Now, the most I probably have done is got some of these when they didn't have the ball lids, and they work pretty good. Yeah. So, yeah, that's just like my little demonstration on the jars. And, of course they come in a case like this, but and they can get pricey and expensive. You can just go and get what you need as needed. Some people want a lot, some people don't want a lot. Some people get in it to can a little bit. Perhaps you could partner up with other people, split the cost, make it that much easier, and y'all can like alternate and can for one another. I don't know. But anyway, thank you for joining me today. Stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. See you soon.